Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss the continuation of Unit 1, a review of Python, and actually this is the second lecture. Then if you want to see the first lecture you can check this playlist so that we already discussed, like tokens or the introduction of characters set, all these things we already discussed. So in this video we are going to discuss what is command, statement flow of control, and something about string, etc. So first one, what is comments in Python? Comments. Comment means what? Comments. Comments means, this is a statement ignored by this comments will ignored by the Python interpreter during the execution. Then what is the need for Python comments? Python comments, suppose if you want to write a program, this program for, dividing two numbers, so that you can add it, okay? In the coding time itself, you can add it. Then later, if you are, if you are checking the code, so you will not get any confusion. You got the point? So comments, how we will add a comments? Comment you can add by using this symbol. Okay, single line comment we can add by using # symbol. Multi-line comment you can add by using three single quotes. Okay, three single multiple line of code if you want to add, you can add it like this. So this code, the Python compiler interpreter, sorry, Python interpreter will ignore this line and during the execution. It is only for the user understanding. I hope it is clear. Okay. And Python command you can write by using, it start with the # symbol. I will show you an example here. See, look at the screen. Suppose this is a Python, Python ideally here. Suppose I'm just declaring two numbers, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and I'm just adding these two numbers, print a plus b. Okay. So if you're running this code, you will get the output like 30, you will get it. So if you want to add some comment, you can, a single line of comment. If you want to add, you can add it like this, adding two numbers, okay. This is only for the, this line is only for the user understanding. Program will not, Python will not execute this line. Okay, that means interpreter will ignore these lines. See, if you are running this code, straight away you will get the answer. You can see the answer here, 30, you will get it. There is no error. Okay, so this line is only for the user understanding. You got the point? In the same way, if you want to add multiple line of comments, suppose adding two numbers, I'm adding the second line, adding two numbers. So multiple line of code if you want to add, so no need to add again, symbol. Instead, you can go for multi-line command. This is option for multi-line command. You can put three single quotes. Okay. Now you can see all the code is disabled. Again, you close the three single quotes. Okay. Then this also will work. Okay. You can see the output here. See, if you are running this code, you can see there is no error. Okay. I hope it is clear. So this is only for the user understanding. Okay. Later after, that is statement flow of control. Okay. So what is statement flow of control? Statement flow of control refers to the sequence in which the program code is executed. So what is the order of the execution? Okay. So control flow statement manages the order in which the code is executed and help to create a dynamic and flexible program. Okay. So Python has mainly three types of control structures. First one is sequential. Sequential, this is a default mode. Okay, sequential means one by one, top to bottom. Okay, first statement will execute, then we'll go for the second statement, we'll go for the third statement, then go for the fourth statement, etc. Selection. Selection is used for decision making. And just for example, selection statements like if, switch, etc. Then it is selection is based on the condition. If the condition is true, that the statement will be executed. Condition is false, that remaining that statement will not be executed. So just for example, I will show you. Suppose if, so age is, if age is greater than 18, okay, or greater than or equal to 18, so you can say you are eligible to vote. So you can print like print you are eligible to vote. You are eligible, okay, eligible to vote. Clear? So in this way you can, you can use, selection statement. Then third one is repetition statement. Repetition means looping. Looping means same statement will repeat n number of times. It is used in looping or repeating the code multiple times. Okay. Just for example, if you want to print 100 numbers. So, years back we are using 100 print statement. Sometimes you need 100 or more print statement to print 100 numbers. Instead, by using the loop, by using a single print statement, you can print 100 numbers. So I will show you one example here. So just look at the screen. See, example for repetition, you can see here for loop, while loop, etc. I'm going to show you for, and suppose I want to print 100 numbers, I can write like this: for I in while loop, everything you already discussed in class 11th. So that is why I'm not going in detail. So for I in range of 10, then print the value of I. Print the value of I. See, if you are running this code, you will get 0 to 9 numbers. You will get 0 to 9 numbers. I'm just running the code. You can see here, it will print 0 to 9. Okay, that means a for loop, see, initially it will start from 0. 0 to 9. That means this is a number, right? N. So number minus 1. Up to 9 it will print. If you want to print up to 11, you can make it 11. Sorry, if you want to make a print up to 10, you make it 11. Okay. Then it will print 0 to 10 numbers. Okay. Suppose I want to print the numbers from 1 to 10. So what I can do? I can add the starting number 1 comma 11. So it will print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay. The for loop variation we will discuss in detail later. Like, for loop, there is a 3 variations. One is like this. One is, for I in range of, we are only passing the ending number. So 0 to n minus 1 number. That means it will print 0 to 10 numbers. Okay. 0 to 10. So if you want to add the starting number, you can print like this: for I in range of, so 1 comma 1 comma 11, print the value of I. Okay. So it will print, it will start from 1 to 10 numbers. Okay. The first statement will print 0 to 10 numbers. This will print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay. So I will show you the example here. So I'm just running the code. See, look at the output. So first one, 0 to 10 numbers. Second one, 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, because this is, you can see we mentioned the starting number. Starting number is 1 up to 11. So 11 is not included. So up to 10. Okay. Here we passed, 11. 11 means 11 minus 1. Up to 10 only it will print. So you can see the first output here, 0 to 10. And here starting number is 1. So 1 to 10. Okay. You got the point. Suppose I need to print only the even numbers. So what I can do? So I can print like this: even numbers for I in range of. So even number, starting number is 0. Then up to, up to 11. I need to print all the even numbers. Print the value of I. So see, for I in range, starting from 0 up to 11. 11 means up to 10 it will print, and this is the difference. So how it will print? First 0 will come, then 0 plus 2, 2 will come, 4 will come, 6 will come, 8 will come, up to 10 will come. See, you can see the output. Okay. So you can see the output. I'm just putting some space here in between. See, if you want space, just simply use a print statement in between. So automatically space will come. So I'm just running the code. Now you can see the 3 different output. This is a, output for the last print statement: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this is the output for the first print statement: 0 to 10. And this is 1 to 10. So you can see the output here. And third one, 0 to 4, 6. 0 to 4, 6, 8 up to 10 it will come. Even numbers. Then suppose I want to print odd numbers. So what I can do? Very simple. So again, just putting one space in between. Okay. Then I can use another for loop for I in range of. Okay. This and all you already studied in class 11. I'm just recapping all those things. So the starting number is 1. Then up to 10 I need to print. So that is why I mentioned 11 here. Then the difference is 2. So why I put difference is 2? First initially 1 will print. Then 1 plus 2 3 will print. 3 plus 2 5 will print. Every time the difference will be added. Then 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 2 11, but 11 will not come because the last value is 11. That will be, so up to 9 it will print. So you can see, and just using the print statement here, see the output, fourth output, you can see it will print the even numbers. See, sorry, you can see the output here. So 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, this is the output for the fourth print statement. Sorry, this is the output for the last for loop 1 3 5 7 9. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt regarding this explanation or regarding this topic, you can put in, you can mention in the comment section. So I will reply to your comment. Okay. Then we are moving back to the topic. So these are the three types of control structure. One is sequential. Sequential means one by one. This is a default one. First statement, then go for second, then go for third. Selection means based on the condition. That means we discuss, that for if is based on the condition. Okay. And repetition means it is used in looping or repeating. That means same set of statement. If you want to repeat, you can go for repetition or you can go for loops. Okay, we are going in detail. So conditional statement means this one, selection statement. These are the examples. Simple if statement, only if part. Okay. Then if else statement. That means if the condition is true, then the body of if will work. Otherwise, else part will execute. If elif statement, that is multiple condition checking. Nested if statement. Nested if means one if inside another if. Okay. Then I will show you the example here. So, okay. So if age is greater than or equal to 18. Okay. So if age is greater than equal to 18, I need to print you are eligible to vote. You are eligible to vote. Okay. Before that, we need to declare the age. So I'm going to declare the age, or you can ask from the user side. So how you will ask from the user side? Age you can ask from the user like this. Age is equal to int. You can ask from the user int input, enter your age. So we are asking from the user, enter your age. Sorry, enter your enter your age. So user will enter the age. So if the age is greater than 18, we will print you are eligible to vote. Otherwise, what will print? Otherwise, you can print else. Else print you are not eligible to vote. You can print like this. You are okay. You are not eligible to vote. Okay. So I'm just running the code. So first I need to save this. So I'm just saving a.py in the desktop. Okay, it's already exists. So I need to replace this. So you can see here, see enter your age. We are the program is asking the age. So I'm giving here, see, is just greater value I will give. So 25. So you can see the output. You are eligible to vote. Okay. The next one more input I am giving. I'm going to give a value below 18. So you can see the output. So I'm giving 14. So what actually the program will print? You are not eligible to vote. See, we can check the output. So you are not eligible to vote. Okay. So this is based on the condition. So where is the condition? This is the condition, right? Age is greater than or equal to 18. If the condition is true, this statement will be printed. That means this is the body of if. This will be printed. If the condition is false, then what will happen? Condition is false, then directly program control go to the else part and this statement will be printed. You got the point? Okay. So this is all about if statement. If elif means multiple condition. If you can check, you can go for if one condition, then elif another condition, elif multiple condition you can check. So nested if means one if inside another if. That is nested if. Okay. Then we are moving to the next looping statement. For loop. For loop we already discussed, right? For loop we already discussed. The while loop. I will show you one while loop. While loop means this is the syntax I will show you here. While this is a syntax. While inside condition. Okay, then body of the while loop. Here you can write the body. Body means statement. Statement, Python statement you can write inside. Okay. I hope it is clear. Okay, then next control statement, jump statement. Jump statement means, these are the two jump statements in Python. One is break, okay, and other one is continue. Break and continue. So break means, suppose, if you put break under any of the statement, after executing the statement, the remaining statement will be bypassed. That is break. Continue means the system, that will again, the statement will again, the process will continue. That means the execution will continue, okay. Then these are about a Python control statement. So in this video, we discuss comments in Python and statement flow of control. So statement flow control, first we discuss sequential statement. This is the default mode. Then we discuss selection statement. Selection means it is based on the condition. And third one is repetition. Repetition means looping statement. Same statement will. These are about this video and string, and we will discuss in the next topic. So thank you. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt regarding today's topic, you can put it in the comment section. So I will reply to your queries. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching.